Working for success will make you a master, but working for satisfaction will make you a legend. Good morning, students.
Good morning, students. Already we have seen about ratio. What is mean by ratio? Ratio is the comparison of two quantities by division. By the kind of division is called ratio. So what is mean by ratio? Ratio is the comparison of two quantities by the kind of division is called ratio. That is A is to B can be written as A divided by B. That is called ratio. Next we are going to see proportion. Okay, what is mean by proportion? When two ratios are equal, then they are said to be in proportion. Okay, two ratios are equal means then they are said to be in proportion. The two ratios are said to be in proportion. Okay, what is the symbol of proportion? This is the symbol for ratio is 2, but we have put two ratio symbol is the symbol for proportion. Okay, when two ratios are equal, then they are said to be in proportion. When same kind of quantities வந்து compare பண்ண நம்ம ratio யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ரெண்டு ratios வந்து compare பண்ண நம்ம proportion யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so ரெண்டு ratios வந்து equal இருந்துச்சுனா அந்த ரெண்டு ratiosம் proportionல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay, what is the symbol of proportion? Ratio வந்து நம்ம இந்த இஸ்டு இந்த ஒரு symbol மட்டும் போடுவோம். பட் ரெண்டு same ratio symbol இருந்துச்சுனா அதுதான் வந்து proportion symbol. இத வந்து as ன்னு சொல்லணும். Okay, in general, if A is to B equal to C is to D, then the numbers A, B, C and D are in proportion. So A is to B is the one ratio and C is to D is the another ratio. The two ratios are equal means the two ratios are in proportion. Okay, the ரெண்டு ratio A is to B is one kind of ratio, C is to D is one kind of ratio. இந்த ரெண்டு ரேஷியோவும் ஈக்குவலா இருந்துச்சுனா then the two ratios are said to be in proportion. ரெண்டு ரேஷியோவும் ஈக்குவலா இருந்துச்சுனா அது proportionல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay, next A is to B as C is to D. So இது எப்படி ரீட் பண்ணனும்? A is to B as C is to D. So A is to B as C is to D. So in the proportion symbol can be read as is as. Okay, as you read from A is to B. A is to B is one proportion. C is to D is another ratio. Sorry, A is to B is one ratio. C is to D in another ratio or another ratio. The two ratios are equal means then they said to be in proportion. The ரெண்டு ரேஷியோவும் proportionல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். So A is to B as C is to D read பண்ணனும். Statement of proportion. In a statement of proportion, the four quantities are involved when taken in order or known as respective terms. Okay, what are the respective terms? First and the fourth terms are known as extreme terms. First and fourth term. When the four terms are involved means four terms வந்து occur ஆயிடும். A, B, C, D is called four terms. Four terms are involved when taken in order. In order, A is to B is to as, C is to D, A is to B as, C is to D. Here the as symbol is represented proportion. Okay, first and fourth terms are called extreme terms. Here first term and fourth term. So first and fourth terms are called as extreme terms. Extremes or extreme term. Next is second and third terms are called as middle term. Middle. The two terms are occurred in middle. Okay, so these terms are called middle terms or means. The fourth and first and fourth term are called extreme terms. Second and third terms are called Okay, two ratios are said to be in proportion if product of extremes equal to product of means. Product of extremes means we have to multiply the first and fourth term. The first and fourth term are called extremes. So product of extremes equal to product of A and B. So A and DAB equal to product of means. Product of means now second and third term. So BC product of means na BUC multiple பண்ணனும். So BC. So இந்த ரெண்டு ratios வந்து proportionல இருந்துச்சுனா proportion இருந்துச்சுனா அதுக்கு என்ன வரும்? Product of extremes equal to product of means. Product of extremes equal to product of means. Extremes na first term fourth term multiple பண்ணனும். First and last term. So AB equals BC middle term product of means equals. So product of means na middle term ரெண்டையும் multiple பண்ணனும். So BU CU second and third term multiple பண்ணனும். So B and C BC. So AB equal to BC means the two ratios are said to be in proportion. Okay, AB not equal to BC means the two ratios are not in proportion. Okay, AB equal to BC means the two ratios are in proportion. AB not equal to BC means the two ratios are not in proportion. Okay, so say statement of proportion என்னமா இருக்கு? First and fourth terms occur ஆயிடுச்சுனா அந்த four termsலயும் first and fourth terms வந்து extreme terms சொல்லுவோம். So first term A is to B ங்கிறது ஒரு ratio, இங்க as symbol proportion symbol C is to D ங்கிறது another ratio. So இதுல first, second, third இது fourth term. So இந்த first term last term fourth term extreme term சொல்லுவோம். Second and third term வந்து middle term சொல்லுவோம் or means சொல்லுவோம். Okay, the two ratios are said to be in proportion if எப்போ product of extremes equal to product of means. So product of extreme equal to product of mean ஆச்சுனா இந்த ரெண்டு ரேஷியோவும் proportionல இருக்கு. Okay, A is to B ங்கிறது ஒரு ரேஷியோ, C is to D ங்கிறது ஒரு ரேஷியோ. So இந்த ரெண்டு ரேஷியோலயும் product of extremes equal to product of means இருந்துச்சுனா இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்மும் வந்து proportionல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம். So அப்ப product of extremes ங்கிறது என்ன? extreme னா A வும் D வும் extreme. So AD equal to product of means. means னா இந்த மிடில்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ரெண்டு terms. So BC. So BC ஐ மல்டிபிள் பண்ணனும். So proportion condition satisfy பண்ணுதா இல்லையான்னு வெரிஃபை பண்ண நாம என்ன பண்ணனும்? first term-ஐயும் last term-ஐயும் மல்டிபிள் பண்ணனும். அதுதான் product of extremes equal to product of means find பண்ணனும். means வந்து middle term ரெண்டையும் second term third term-ஐயும் மல்டிபிள் பண்ணனும். So BC. So இந்த ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலா இருந்துச்சுனா இந்த ரெண்டு ரேஷியோவும் proportionல இருக்கு. So ரெண்டு நாட் இந்த வேல்யூவும் நாட் ஈக்குவலா இருந்துச்சுனா இது வந்து proportionல இல்லைன்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, exercise 9.2 first Roman which of the following are in proportion? Okay, first sum 21 35 24 40. So we have to check whether the following numbers are in proportion or not. Okay, what is the condition for proportion? A is to B as C is to D. So first A, B, C, D. So A is to B is 21 is to 35 as C is to D. C is to D is 24 is to 40. So 21 is to 35 as 24 is to 40. So first we have to find the simplest form of 21 is to 35. So 21 is to 35 is can be written as 21 by 35. Okay, we can able to divide by 7 table. Isn't it ma? 7 table cancel பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா? So 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. So 3 divided by 5 7s are 35. Okay. So 3 by 5 can be written as 3 is to 5. Next 24 divided by 30. We have to find the simplest form of this. 24 divided by 40. So we have to find the simplest form of 24 divided by 40. So we can able to divide by 4. Isn't it, ma? 4 all divide பண்ணலாம்யா. So 4 all divide பண்ணா 6 4s are 24, 10 4s are 40. Again we can able to divide 6 by 10 by 2. Isn't it, ma? 2 all divide பண்ணலாம். Okay, 3 2s are 6. 2 all divide பண்ணா 5 2s are 10. So 3 is to 5. Okay. So 3 is to 5. So 21 is to 35 equal to 24 is to 40. Both the values having the simplest form 3 is to 5, 3 is to 5. So the numbers 21, 35, 24 and 40 are in proportion. Okay. So first Roman, which of the following are in proportion? So 21, 35, 24, 40. So in the numbers of the proportion A is to be as C is to D. So 21 is to 35, 24 is to 40. That was simplest form find பண்ணனும். So simplest form cancel பண்ணா 3 is to 5. In the second ratio 3 is to 5 the simplest form. So ரெண்டுமே equal. So 3 is to 5 equal to 3 is to 5. So ரெண்டுமே equal. So the numbers 21, 35, 24, 40 are in proportion. Okay. Next D sum 75, 21, 18, 16. So whether we have to check the following numbers are in proportion or not. In the numbers la proportion ah இல்லை check பண்ணனும். So what is the condition for proportion? A is to B equal to C is to D. So what is A is to B? 75 is to 21 as 80 is to 6. Okay, we have to find the simplest form of 75 is to 21. So 75 is to 21 means we have to divide by 3. Isn't it? 3 are divide panna 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry 15. So 5 3s are 15. So 25 divided by 7 3s are 21. Okay, we cannot be able to divide 25 by 7. Okay, next 16 is to 18 is to 6. 1 6 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So 3 is to 1. So 25 by 7 can be written as 25 is to 7. So 25 is to 7 and 3 is to 1. So 25 is to 7 not equal to 3 is to 1. 25 is to 7 not equal to 3 is to 1. So equal to 25 is to 7 வந்து இந்த 3 is to 1. So the remain not equal to. So the numbers 75, 21, 18, 6 are not in proportion. Not equal ரெண்டு equal value of அதல simplify பண்ணும்போது ரெண்டுமே not equal ஆ இருந்துச்சுனா equal ஆ இல்ல அப்படினாவே the numbers are not in proportion. So these sum 75, 21, 18, 16 வந்து proportion ஆ இல்ல செக் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So நம்ம proportion பண்ணி செக் பண்ண A is to B as C is to D. So A is to B னா first two நம்ம 75 is to 21, C is to D னா 18 is to 6. So இந்த ரெண்டு simplest form find பண்ணனா பாத்தீங்கன்னா 25 is to 7 வருது, 3 is to 1. So ரெண்டுமே not equal. So not equal னா the number 75, 21, 18 and 6 are not in proportion. Okay, take Roman, find the value of x in each of the following proportions. They have given a proportion. ஒரு proportion கொடுத்துருவாங்க நமக்கு. So அதுல வந்து A is to B as C is to D இல்லையா? So இதுல வந்து A B வேல்யூ தெரியும், நமக்கு ஒரு நம்பரோட வேல்யூ மட்டும் தெரியாது. So we have to find the unknown value. That is we have to find the value of x. Okay, solution. Let us come to the solution. 2 is to 3 as x is to x is the given proportion. What is the formula for proportion? Product of means equal to product of extremes. Here product of means means middle terms. So what are the middle terms? 3 and x are the middle terms. What are the extreme terms? 2 and 6 is the extreme terms. 2 and 6 is the extreme terms. Middle terms means middle term. What is the means? 3 and x. Okay, we have to find the product of means and the product of extremes. Okay, what is the product of means? Means middle terms. So 3 into x. 3 into x. Product means we have to multiply. Equal to product of extremes. What are the extremes? Okay, so x is the unknown value. Keep x in the left side of the equation. So x வந்து left side வெச்சுக்கோங்க. 3 மட்டும் இந்த சைடு மூவ் பண்ணுங்க. So மூவ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இங்க ரெண்டும் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் இருக்குது டிவைட் ஆகும். So 2 already இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் இந்த சைடு இருக்கு 2 into 6 divided by 3 ஆகும். So இப்ப கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம் 1 3 is 3 2 3s are 6. So x equal to 2 into 2 2 2s are 4. So what is the value ma? X the value x equal to 4. Okay. So இங்க வந்து proportion இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க already proportionல தான் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க but we have to find the unknown value x நம்ம x தான் find பண்ணனும். Okay, 2:3 as x is to 6. Product of means equal to product of extremes. ஏனா இது proportion இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்கனாவே product of means equal to product of extreme தான் இருக்கும். That is the condition. Okay, so product proportionல இருக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டாங்கனாவே condition என்னமா product of means equal to product of extremes. So means na middle term ரெண்டே மல்டிபிள் பண்ணனும். So 3 into x equal to product of extremes. Extremes na extreme term ரெண்டே first term fourth term மல்டிபிள் பண்ணனும். So 2 into 6. So இதுல x மட்டும் தான் unknown value. So அத மட்டும் equal to லெஃப்ட் சைடு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. So இத ரைட் சைடு மூவ் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா இந்த மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருக்கு இல்லையா so டிவைட் ஆகும் டிவைட்ல கீழ வந்துரும். So 2 into 6 divided by 3. So 1 3 is 3 2 3s are 6. So 2 2s are 2 into 2 எவ்வளவு 2 2s are 4. So x equal to 4. Okay. Second Roman, find the value of x in each of the following proportions. Okay, the sum x is to 5 as 4 is to 2. So we have to find the unknown value x. Okay, let us come to the solution. X is to 5 as 4 is to 2. We have to find the x by finding the product of means and product of extremes. Okay, first find the product of means and the product of extremes. So what is mean by means? Means means middle terms. Product means we have to multiply the middle terms. So what are the middle terms? 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 is the middle terms. Okay, next equal to product of extremes. Extremes means extreme term. So first and the fourth term. So x into 2. So x into 2. Okay. Next we have to move the known value to the left side. Known value to நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் left side move பண்ணனும். Here x and 2 in the product, that is multiplication operation. So multiplication la irundhu when we have to move to the left side it is going to in division. Okay, so 5 into 4 2 வந்து equal to left side move பண்ணும்போது multiplication la இருக்குது division equal to. So divided by 2 5 into 4 divided by 2 இந்த x இங்க அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, 1 2 is 2 2 2s are 4. So 5 2s are 5 into 2 equal to x. So x equal to 5 2s are 10. So what is the value of x? 10. Okay, second sum, find the value of x in the given proportion. Okay, the sum x is to 5 as 4 is to 2. So இது வந்து product of extremes proportion ல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So given ratios வந்து proportion அப்படினு சொல்லி அவங்களே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So proportion நாவே we have to find the product of means equal to product of extremes. So we have to equate the product of means product of extremes. So equal to product of extremes means first find the product of means. Means middle term. Middle term 5 and 4. 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 equal to product of extremes. Extreme term was x and 2. So x into 2. So இங்க x உம் 2 multiplication ல இருக்கு. So 2 left side move பண்ணும்போது multiplication ல இருக்க நம்பர் எப்பவுமே division க்கு வந்துரும். பாசிட்டிவ் ல இருந்தா இந்த சைடு வரும்போது மைனஸ் ஆயிடும், நெகட்டிவ் ஆயிடும். +2 ஆனா -2 ஆயிடும். -2 ஆனா இந்த சைடு மூவ் பண்ணும்போது +2 ஆகும். பட் இங்க மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல இருந்தா டிவிஷன் க்கு வந்துரும். சப்போஸ் டிவிஷன்ல இருந்து நம்ம இந்த சைடு கொண்டு போகும்போது மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஆகும். சோ இங்க மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்ல தான் இருக்கு. சோ ஈக்குவல் டு லெட்ஸ் சே கொண்டு வரும்போது 5 into 4 divided by 2 டிவிஷன் ஆயிடும்னா கீழ டிவைட் by 2. So 1 2 is 2 2 2s are 4. So 5 2s are 10. So x equal to 10. Okay, Roman, determine whether the following write the middle terms and the extreme terms. Okay, first we have to determine the following ratios form a proportion or not. Okay, first sum A 0.5 kilogram is to 0.5 kilogram. First, this is the first ratio. And second ratio is rupees 110 is to rupees 99. So we have to check whether the two ratios form a proportion or not. Okay, what is the condition for proportion? A is to B as C is to D means
9.2 Roman letter 1 A and B sum can be solved in another type. That type also explained for you, but that type is not in the fair note copy. சரி, அந்த டைப் வந்து உங்களோட எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷனுக்காக தான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், பட் அது வந்து ஃபேர் நோட் காப்பியில் இருக்காது. யூ கேன் சால்வ் தீஸ் சம்ஸ் இன் போத் டூ டைப்ஸ். ஓகே,
next product of extreme terms. What are the extreme terms? 0.5 and rupees 99. So 0.5 kilogram and rupees 99 is the extreme terms. A, B, C, D. So A and B is the extreme terms. So 0.5 and 99 is the extreme terms. So 0.5 into 99. So we have to multiply means we will get 49.5. Okay. So the product of middle term is equal to product of extreme term, because product of middle term is 49.5 and product of extreme term is also 49.5. So the two values are equal means the two ratios are in proportion. So product of middle terms equal to product of extreme terms, that is 49.5 equal to 49.5. So the given ratios are in proportion. So product of middle terms is equal to product of extreme terms means the given ratios are in proportion. Okay, 0.5 kg is to 0.45 kg as 100 rupees 110 is to rupees 199. So the two ratios are in proportion. Okay, what is the middle terms? Middle terms means B and C, second and third term. So here 0.45 kilogram. So 0.45 kilogram and rupees 110 is the middle terms. Okay, what are the extreme terms? Extreme terms means first and fourth term. So rupees 0.5 kilogram and rupees 99. So 0.5 kilogram and rupees 99 are the extreme terms. Okay, so what are the middle terms? For 0.4 kg and 100 rupees 110 in the term middle term, in the term extreme term. Okay, in the third one என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, determine whether the following ratios are form a proportion or not. If they form a proportion, write the middle terms and extreme terms. கொடுத்திருக்க ratio கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, இந்த ratio கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த ரெண்டு ரேஷியோவும் proportion-ஆ இல்லைன்னு செக் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So proportion-ஆ middle term extreme term எழுத சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So proportion-ஆ இருக்கணும்னா என்ன கண்டிஷன் இருக்கு? Product of middle terms, product of means equal to product of extreme இருக்கணும். So product of middle terms, product of means ரெண்டுமே equal தான். So product of means 0.45 into 110. So centerல இருக்கக்கூடிய middle terms ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். So 0.45 into 110 is 49.5. Next product of extreme terms. Extreme terms na in the last term. So 99 is 0.5 kg. So ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 49.5. So product of means equal to product of y. ஏன்னா ரெண்டுமே 49.5 தான் வந்திருக்கு. So the given ratios are in proportion. So இதுல வந்து நமக்கு என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? middle term என்ன, extreme term என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So 0.A B C D. நம்ம எப்படி proportion எழுதுவோம்? 0.5 kg is to 0.45 as proportion symbol as போனோம். rupees 110 is to rupees 99. So இதுல middle term எதுனா 0.45 உம் 110 உம் middle terms. Extreme term எது 0.5 kg உம் 99 உம் extreme terms. Okay, third Roman B sum 250 milliliter is to 2 liter and 48 minutes is to 2 hours. So we have to check whether the two ratios first check whether all the units are in same units or different units. If they are in different unit means we have to convert it in same units. Here 250 milliliter and another term is 2 liter. So we have to convert both the terms in same unit. So milliliter, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 2 liter equal to 2000 milliliter. Okay, so 2000 milliliter. So now both the terms are in same unit. Next 48 minutes and 2 hours. One is minutes, another one is hours. So we have to convert hours into minutes. Okay, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours equal to 2 into 60. So 2 60s are 120 minutes. So 2 hours equal to 120 minutes. Okay. Okay, now both the terms are in same units. 48 minutes, 128 minutes. Okay, now the new term is 250 milliliter and 2 liter is 2000 milliliter. So 250 is to 2000 and 48 minutes and 2 hours equal to 120 minutes. So 48 minutes is to 120 minutes. Now we have to check whether the given ratios are in proportion or not. So we have to find the product of middle terms and product of extreme terms. So product of middle terms equal to, so middle terms means 2000 and 48. So 2000 into 48 is 96,000. Next product of extreme terms means A, first term and fourth term. So 250 into 120 is 30,000. So product of the middle term not equal to product of the extreme term. So in the 96,000, product of extreme is 30,000. So the two values are not equal. So not equal means the given ratios are not in proportion. So given ratios cannot form a proportion. Okay. So the middle terms, now the middle terms are, what are the middle terms, ma? So middle terms is 2000 and 48. So 2000 milliliter and 48 minutes is the middle terms. And what are the extreme terms? Extreme terms is 250 and 120. So 250 milliliter and 120 minutes is the extreme terms. Okay. Third one, let me sum. 250 milliliter is to 2 liter and 48 minutes is to 2 hours கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இங்க ஒரு யூனிட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா மில்லிலிட்டர்ல இருக்கு, another one is liter. So ரெண்டுமே சேம் யூனிட்ல இருக்கு. நம்ம சேம் யூனிட்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸ் தான் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியும், ரேஷியோ எழுத முடியும். So நம்ம ரேஷியோக்கு என்ன பண்ணிருப்போம், மில்லிலிட்டர்ல இருந்தா லிட்டருக்கு கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிருப்போம் இல்லையா? சரி, லிட்டர்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து மில்லிலிட்டருக்கு கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிருப்போம். So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. அப்ப 2 liter equal to 2000 milliliter. Again இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 48 minutes 2 hours கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So ரெண்டுமே டிஃபரண்ட் யூனிட்ஸ். So அது வந்து நம்ம சேம் யூனிட்டா கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். So நம்ம hours வந்து மினிட்டுக்கு கன்வர்ட் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா? So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, we know that. So 2 hours equal to 2 into 60 is 120 minutes. So now the new term is 250 milliliter, 2000 milliliter and 48 minutes, 120 minutes. So product of the middle term means product of means is 2000 into 48 is 96,000. Product of extreme term is 250 and into 120. So that is 30,000. So product of the middle term is not equal to product of the extreme term. So the given ratios cannot form a proportion or not in proportion. Okay, what are the middle terms? Middle terms 2000 milliliter and 48 minutes. What are the extreme terms? 250 milliliter and 120 minutes are the extreme terms. Okay, both the sum. If the first, second and fourth terms of a proportion are 6, 36 and 84 respectively, then find the third term. Okay, if the first, second and fourth terms of a proportion are 6, 36 and 84, then we have to find the third term. Okay, let the third term be x. Okay, first term is respectively சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So first term is 6, second term is 36 and third term is x and fourth term is 84. They are in proportion. Proportion means 6 is to 36. A is to B as B is to C is to D. Yes, the third term is unknown value. We have to find that value. So let the third term be x. X is to 84. So 6 is to 36 as 8 x is to 84. Okay. They are given two ratios are in proportion means what is the condition? Product of the means equal to product of the extreme terms. So product of the means means middle term. So what are the middle term here? 36x. What are the extreme terms? X and 84. So product of means means we have to multiply the middle terms. So 36 into x equal to product of extreme term. What are the extreme terms? 6 and 84. So 6 into 84. Okay. So here x is the unknown value. Keep the value in the left side itself. In the value in the x we have to move x to the right side. 36 sorry 36 right side move pannom. So x equal to 6 into 84 multiplication so equal to the right side move divide so divide by 36. Okay, so if 60 below we have to cancel it. No, 166 6 are 36. So x equal to 184 is 84 divided by 6. Again we can able to divide by 684. So 166 6 782 reminder to carry to the next number. So 24 4 6 are 24. So x equal to 14. Okay. So என்ன பண்ணனும்? If first term, second and fourth term கொடுத்தாங்க. First term, second term, இது வந்து fourth term. We have to find the third term. Third term வந்து நம்ம find பண்ணனும். So நம்ம x எழுதலாம். Let the third term be x. So x is to 36 as x is to 84. So product of means equal to product of extreme terms. So product of means na 36 into x equal to product of extreme terms na 6 into 84. So 36 about equal to inside move பண்ணும்போது multiplication இருக்கு. So divide ஆகும். So 6 into 84 divided by 36. So 1666 6 are 36. 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 are 36. So இப்போ 84 divided by 6 இருக்கும். So 166 14 6 are 84. So third term equal to 14.